Hey, I'm Kyle from Coates, here to talk to you today about the RC-55 tire changer. This is our entry-level swing arm tire changer in the Coates line. This tire changer is a true workhorse for small shops that do a lot of general repair, but also need to do a lot of tires. We do build this swing arm tire changer at our facility in Nashville. It's fast, it's easy to use. Guys take to it very, very quickly. It's also a great tire changer for guys that need to do a little bit of everything. Maybe you got some ATV tires, some truck tires, some low profile tires. The Robo Arm makes all of those tires easy to mount on the top bead. This 16-inch tire here is something pretty standard that we see out there in the industry, and we can dismount this tire very, very quickly, very, very easily. Top bead peels right off. Ditto for the bottom bead. Now the only thing you got to do is lube this tire up. Then for this top bead here, we'll reach over, get our Robo Arm, push that bead down into the drop center. And this tire here is ready to inflate and hit the balancer. If you have any questions, contact your local Coates sales representative. If you have any questions on this specific tire machine, drop them in the comments below.